Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the three very important formulas that we use in Excel. And might be you may have a confusion about how these three are useful. People who are doing business, or you are new to Excel, or even you are into profession, but you want to understand how the data analytics takes place, how you analyze the data, that in that case Excel is one of the best tools. So with me, slowly you're going to learn how to use Excel. So we are going to start with small functions, and do comment if you want to understand how to use any of the formula, or you are facing any issue with trying to analyze the data. I will definitely make an example for you to understand. Okay, so we'll first start today with the sum function. What is sum function? Sum is nothing but doing a total. Okay, sum is nothing but it does a total, but total of what? Only numbers. Okay, so in case if you want to count how many people are there, or how much salary you have paid, or how many expenses you have done for that particular month, or if you have a spreadsheet like this, I have it here in the sample data, and I want to see how much is my total salary paid, for example, right? So sum function works as the best option. Now, the in whenever you use Excel, you see you have grids. Okay, you have rows and columns. Okay, this sum function takes the total of the range in which there are number. Okay, so what you have to do in whenever you are drafting a sum function, that you have to direct the function. Now what happens is that many times you when you read at any of the formulas, you see that, okay, I'm typing something like this, and if you type sum, what happens is that Excel is very smart. It will tell you what actually that function is doing. Like here in front of sum, what we see is that it adds all number in the range of cells. So what happens when whatever range of cells that you are going to show in that formula, it is going to calculate. It is going to calculate a total in that. Okay. Now, how to begin with any formulas in Excel? We type that basic number, that is sum. Okay, and then we open a bracket. Okay, we have the round brackets. And then Excel again guides us what to do next. So it is saying is, tell me what is the number one. So my number one is this. Okay. Then it says put a comma. Then it says tell me now what was my number two. Number two is this. It puts a comma. Tell number three is this. Okay. Likewise. So now let's say I want to take a sum of only these three people. Okay. I'm doing that, and I just tell now, tell that sum, okay, take these three cells only and let me close the bracket. You have to close the bracket when you are putting the formulas. Okay, you have to start with an open bracket and you have to close the bracket, and then you have to just press enter. Once you press enter, it is going to take the sum of it. This is how it does sum. Now, what will happen? Let's go one step improvisation. Might be the people who are looking at this video, they will see that this is how they do it. Like they must have done it for a long time. Now, let's do a bit improvisation. What I want to do is, instead of sometimes it may be the case that I will have n number of lines. I will have more than 20, 30 lines. So am I gonna do select each cell and do comma? No. So there is an easy way out of it. Okay, I'll show you. How you do? It's like type sum. Okay, open the bracket. Now get your cursor on the first number. Okay, now I want to take first three numbers. What you have to do? You have to control, and you have to select these three cells. And how you do it? There is a simple way we can do is like shift, and you can scroll down. Or there is another way to do it is, what you can do using the mouse. Okay, you have to press it, select this like this. Okay, so what it is doing, it is kind of taking a range. Okay, so whatever whatever number fall between that range from E4 to E6, it will take a total. Did you see? Again, it is same as 45,000. Okay, How does this help? Let's take an example that you want to extend it. Now I want to take a sum of all of it. What you have to do, you have to just click on the formula bar, okay? And then what you have to do, you see when you see the outside this line, this black arrow, and you pull it down here like this, okay? And then just press enter. The sum range will automatically increase, and this is how you take the sum. Okay, do give it a try on your Excel sheet. I'm gonna no, I'm thinking of not exceeding any of my videos for more than 5 minutes so that it is not boring for you and it is very easier for you to update. So try this functionality immediately and you can go on to my next videos about how to use the subtotal function. Thank you. Feel free to like and subscribe and also tell me if you want to learn more.